Good morning, friends. Tamil Nadu job opening. Company name for PRABHU Laser Company Private Ltd. Direct requirement for on-road job, pressure and experience scans of plane, PRABHU Laser. Company's design, engineering, laser cutting, plant punching, metal stamping, bending, fabrication. Therefore position, quality, design, welding, packing, location and position of Tamil Nadu, 0 to 4 years experience, scans of plane, qualification by basic BA, B.Tech and diploma automobile. Requirement skills, design, gravity, you probably do not need to spell it out for your, but late to drill this one. Creative is one of the most important graphic design skill, communication, typographic, adaptive, creative apps, interactive media, coding. Branding, delivery, presentation, contact detail, made in, hr.prabhu.laser.com, mobile. Number, 805-653-1534, contact detail, additional job opening, quality, user location, contact. Detail, ZF, job opening, for benefit is better, structural training, 74% per annum, 190,000, being only 240,000 per annum. Thank you for subscribing my channel.